My name is Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757. Today we have an issue with a Honda Accord 2007 will not start. The main core issue is this right here. The customer, I've already warned them about their key, and it's completely falling completely apart. So when you put this key in the ignition like that, and then try to put it together like I'm trying to do, you'll turn the key forward, and all you will get is a flashing green light. That means directly that this key is not being recognized and this is a bad key, and the only thing you'll get is a vehicle that's going to turn over but will not start. This customer needs to go to a mobile mechanic, a mobile locksmith, and get another key for this vehicle. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.